So you're thinking of picking up a set of the Adorer IM8 in-ear monitors. I've got an unboxing of those for you guys coming up. Hey everyone, this is Jeff from Everyday Tech Vids, where we take a mystery out of your cell phones, tablets, gadgets, gizmos, all the cool stuff you got running around, and we'll get you straightforward answers to your straightforward tech questions. If you are new here to the channel, please do consider subscribing. All right, so today I'm doing an unboxing of the Adorer IM8, sort of like in-ear monitors. I'm really excited to try these out. They do claim to be actual like fit noise isolating, which is kind of cool. So instead of using, again, for simple terms, instead of using like electronics to create noise isolation, this actually fits in your ear so snugly that it's gonna, kind of be like kind of like an earplug, like something that's gonna, prevent sound from entering anyway. That's great for musicians, or if you maybe even fly a lot and you want to just have, actual, sort of something in your ear that's blocking sound rather than digital cancellation. So one of the first things I noticed when I was unboxing this is that everything is packed really well. So it's a nice, solid arrangement of packaging. For those of you that are subscribed to the channel, I love, when they get creative with packaging, but this was pretty solid. They did a really good job of just keeping everything snug and ready to go. And then the headphones themselves were kind of rigged up in this cool little foam setup. It looked really, really great. But starting for the unboxing, I actually started with this little black box that was on the bottom. Opened that bad boy up, and it had a couple of items in it. First thing that I found in there was the user manual, and if you're not familiar with in-ear monitors, I would actually take a minute to look through that a little bit. They do have a different kind of fit than other headphones. They actually, if you look at most in-ear monitors, it's kind of counterintuitive the way it fits in your ear, because most headphones, sort of the bulk of the headphone is going to go downward, but on these they actually go up. So it goes up, and then usually the cord wraps behind your ear, and it kind of gives it a nice snug fit right into your ear canal, and that helps cut out sound around you. So yeah, I'd take a quick look through the manual if you haven't tried these on before. It's got some good information in there. Now the next thing I found in there was actually the carrying case for the headphones themselves, which was actually a nice little black carrying case, and I've got a cat that loves to chew up headphones, so a good little carrying case is good because I keep them around the house and stuff. I don't want her chewing on them or doing any of that. So it did come with a little set of those. When I opened up the carrying case, I found a few cool things in there. So you also get a secondary cable. So that's kind of nice. Taking a look at them, I'll have to double check, but I believe one has a microphone in it and the other one does not. So that is actually a good thing to note. So if you are going to be using them more casually or using them with your phone and things like that, you're probably going to need that microphone cable. But if you're going to be using them for actual, like if you're a musician, you're going to be at small clubs and stuff, and you want to be able to use them for in-ear monitors, you don't really need the mic, and actually that could cause some issues. So I would actually use the cable that does not have a mic if you're going to be using them on stage or things like that. But again, if you're just using them for casual use, either cable will work fine, but you will need to have the microphone cable to answer calls on your phone. It also comes with a number of different earpieces to kind of fit your ear size. So there was small, medium, and large for kind of the rubber ones. And then they also did include a set of foam ones that you can kind of compress. And then when you slide the whole thing into your ear, that piece is gonna hang on even tighter. And I'm excited to try that combo out because that should be very, very noise isolating. They also include a clip for the cable itself, which is just kind of nice because if you're, if you're moving around a lot, or you're again on stage, or you are even just moving around a lot because you're walking to work or something, the clip can help keep the cable a little more stabilized so it doesn't tug too much. Now, I assume since these are noise isolating that they're not going to move around a ton in your ear, but that'll just help make sure that they stay super, super stable. The last thing that came with that was in the carrying case was an 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapter. And what that is that's very specifically for musicians usually. Some people who are really into audio may have equipment that has 1/4 inch inputs, but it's just an adapter so you can use a different type of equipment. So a lot of bigger stereos, or again, a lot of stage equipment uses a bigger connector for headphones. So for those of you out there that need that, there'll be one included in there. Since I was a musician for many years, I love having those around because you never know when you're gonna need one. So now we get to the cool part. These are the headphones. Now, upon taking them out, they were packaged really well. They were nice and snug in there, and they look really cool. I mean, this looks like a really expensive set of in-ear monitors, even though they're very moderately priced. Taking a first look, again, they have that look. This is something that's really important to keep in mind, where the way they fit in your ear is going to kind of be counterintuitive. So keep that in mind when you put them in for fit. Now, I did get a chance to put them in my ears when I was unboxing them, and man, they actually do just right away cut down sound around you. So it's sort of like, it's physical noise cancellation. So after putting them in, I mean, you just put them in correctly and everything around you is going to become much quieter instantly. The big advantage for that is that you don't have to turn the music up so loud because you don't have ambient noise around you. The cord also felt really, really nice. It's got kind of a rubber outside to it, but then it looks like a corded, braided interior. It was very flexible, but still felt really, really strong. The headphones themselves feel like they're decent quality, so you know, they're small, but I feel like they're gonna last a long time, especially if you take care of them. I will be making a full review on these once I've had some time to kind of try them out, see what the fit is like, see what the sound quality is like. So stay tuned for that video, which I'll have coming up in probably about a week or so, once I've had some time to try them out. But if you do have any questions on these headphones, please post them in the comments below, and I will put a link in the description box to where you can find these headphones. My question of the day is what do you want to use these headphones for? Are you a musician that's looking for a moderately priced set of in-ear monitors, or are you just someone who really likes audio but you're looking for physical noise cancellation? Leave a comment in the comments below.